What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Cava yet again. I've been making these videos for the last 3 days in a row. Shout out to Hoshi again. And the reason I'm making these videos for the last three days in a row is because I really do think Cava, there's something potentially special here. Okay, there's a lot of volume over the last 3 days on Coinbase. If we get it on Binance too, right? There's a lot of volume that's been happening, and you haven't really moved anywhere. But in the midst of yesterday's dump, Cava, you only dropped 4.5%, right? The average crypto dropped 10%, 16%, somewhere in that range. You dropped dramatically less, and you're already up today. You're up 5%, man, and that's a lot of volume. You're not going anywhere. I don't know what to make of it. Are you going to break to the downside? Or are you going to break to the upside? I feel like if you were to break to the downside, you would have done it already, right? While the markets are dumping. But maybe it's hard to move up while the markets are dumping, so you're just chilling. But whenever the markets stop dumping, maybe you're going to let this thing fly. I have a funny feeling about this one, you guys. I want to get it on an actual all-time history chart here, right? Perfect, absolutely perfect definition of a double bottom. It's perfect. The recovery has been nice. That was a nice move up here. Generally speaking, you don't get like a 20%. You get 20% or more away from the low on your after you move up like this whenever you come back. So right there, that was a 50%. I mean, dude, that was the low. I absolutely believe that was the low. Now at 45.5 cents, I'm not saying you can't go lower. You absolutely could. I'm just saying that you have a double bottom. You have a double bottom. It's one of the most powerful signals in any market, okay? From a high to a low, the golden ratio, which is where I would think you would go from here, at least before you stop anywhere, would be at about $2.30 to $3. When I say stop there at least before you stop anywhere, I don't mean that you can't find turbulence along the way. I just mean before you see some kind of multi-month or several week consolidation phase again, right? You absolutely can and probably do find turbulence at $1 or around $1. You're at 45 cents now. Just because there's price action here and there was here, it doesn't mean that you can't rip, right? In fact, the last time that you're at these areas, that's all you did was you just ripped for a straight 1, 2, 3, 4 months, all the way up to 552 from the same prices that you're at now, right? You did over, what would that be? That would be over a 10x. Yeah. And I'm not saying that you go there either. I'm just saying the golden ratio is right in between this potential expected area and what you did last time. It's smack dab right in the middle there, the golden ratio. So nobody knows what's going to happen. I am curious to see what's going to happen with this coin because there is a lot of volume coming into it and it hasn't moved anywhere. But at first I thought that was kind of a bad thing. I was going to bed thinking, I'm like, that's kind of concerning. But then all the coins dumped today. The whole market dumped today, and Cava held its grounds. Most of the day it did. It actually held its ground very, very well. And now it's recovering. On top of that, bro, your 4-hour RSI is kicking ass. It looks really good, actually. I'm going to have to buy some more Cava, you guys. I need to end this video and buy some Cava. I'm going to buy Cava. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy more Cava. I sold some Cava recently, and I made a short-term play on XCN. I bought XCN. Where did I buy you? I bought you basically actually right there. Bought it right there. Then I sold it a little bit higher than that. Sold it like basically right there. A little bit lower and a little bit higher. I layered my orders out, but previous areas of support was thinking it was a good area to sell off. It went a little bit higher, but whatever. I'm going to take all of those profits and I'm going to put it into Cava. I bought some Cava with those profits already, but I just bought some in case, you know, just to layer in, but I didn't put it all back in there because just in case it moves down. But I'm rather impressed right now, man. You're at 45.5 cents. Even if you move lower, even if you see a lower low than this at 41 cents, I'll buy more. I doubt you drop as much as the average coin does. So I'm gonna buy some Cava. I'm gonna stop talking about it, man. I'm probably gonna end the video there and do that. Yeah. 4-hour time frame looks bullish as hell. Daily RSI is actually looking pretty good too. What is going on here? And not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I hope you guys don't see my excitement and then just ape into this thing, sell your coins at their lows and buy a coin here that could just as well go tomorrow, you know. We don't know. But I don't suspect it does. And I think you're kind of at the end of this triangle look here. Dude, I don't know. I need to end the video. I'm gonna buy some Cava. All right, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm sorry this video wasn't that that valuable. I'm just looking at this thing and geeking at it. But I think you're at 45 cents now. You're gonna make a very massive and immediate move, probably over the next week, if not 2 weeks. I would think probably this week you're gonna make a move. I'm not saying that you will be here by the end of this week. I just think you will start your move this week, okay? Maybe it's next week that you're up here, but I think you're going to $1 in a very short amount of time, and it's moving up. So the Cava market makers are hearing me talk about it before I'm even posting the video, so I need to get out there. All right, take care, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.